We're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now we're sharing it with you. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile, but it also serves to remind us how important it is to provide everyone with the best service possible. We believe that our future success comes from our success today. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.